If you feel behind with AI right now, that might actually be a good thing. You see, the people who feel most behind are usually the ones with the most to lose. And that's the part no one's talking about. The people who are most confident with AI right now usually have the least at stake. But if you're responsible for reputation, staff, clients, compliance, then speed stops being impressive pretty quickly. So here's what's really happening. There are actually two AI games being played right now. And most experienced operators are benchmarking themselves against the wrong one. And that's why they feel behind. Now, most serious operators see AI everywhere. People are talking about it, posting about it, bragging about it. And it can genuinely feel like you've missed something. But here is the reality. It's easy for newbies and people with low stakes in the game to be very gung-ho with AI. It's easy to talk it up, it's easy to flex about prompts, and it's easy to move fast. Now, it's easy because there's nothing on the line. But if you're a serious and experienced business owner, you've got your reputation at risk, your credentials are on the line, and you've got real responsibility. So being gung-ho with AI is not the flex that newbies think that it is. If you're experienced, you should definitely be taking it slower. You should be making sure that you're using it properly. And as I've said in past videos, AI is trained to be a yes man. It will encourage you to do whatever it is you're talking about, unless you have trained it yourself properly. So if you just blindly listen to it, it becomes a very enthusiastic cheerleader leading you down the garden path. And it's very, very risky when there are serious consequences. So speed is cool if there's nothing at stake, but judgment matters when there are consequences. And that's where most business owners get a little bit confused, because most of the online noise is about speed of execution. More prompts, more output, faster, everything. And that's the first AI game, speed of execution. And that's where most people are playing. But there is a second game called judgment. Not how fast can we move, but are we moving in the right direction? That's the proper game. That's where serious operators live. And if you've ever had AI be a yes man for you, and you've had to stop and think, hang on, I need a more robust thinking partner than this, then that pause, that hesitation, that's not you being behind, that's you having standards. Now, there are plenty of examples of firms using AI without guardrails, without precautions, without sanity checking their outputs, and then of them landing in hot water. There are also plenty of examples of firms rushing in, investing time and resources into big AI projects that never see the light of day, or that never get rolled out as planned. So there's real value in taking a step back, thinking through it first, seeing the big picture, structuring it properly, and deploying it in a safe environment. Learning how to dance with AI rather than let it drag you around the dance floor. So if you feel behind with AI, it probably means that you care about getting it right. That's not lag, you're not behind. That just demonstrates that you have good judgment. So in the next video, I'm going to break down the two games properly and why benchmarking yourself against the speed crowd is measuring the wrong thing entirely.